FactoryTalk View SE can be used in standalone applications where the software is running on a single industrial computer connected directly to the controller or controllers. The specific View SE runtime software product for these applications is called FactoryTalk View SE Station. A more common use of the platform is in distributed applications, where FactoryTalk View SE servers collect information from multiple controllers and run services such as alarms and events. View SE client computers then connect to these View SE servers to actually display information to users. The runtime software for these distributed applications consists of several software components requiring multiple licenses. FactoryTalk View Studio Enterprise is a common development platform for implementing both station and distributed applications. Furthermore, View Studio is the development platform for both View SE and View ME applications, which use PanelView Plus hardware. One potentially confusing aspect of a View SE system is the use of the term server. For most people, a server is a powerful computer that is connected to a network and provides data to other computers that request it. In other words, when they hear server, they think server computer. In a View SE system, the term server is also used for the various software tools that run on these server computers in a View SE system. There may or may not be a one-to-one correspondence between the software servers and the server computers. The software servers include things like RS-Links, a data server which provides a connection to the controllers and other automation products. Another software server tracks alarms and events, making them available for viewing in the system. Yet another is the HMI display server. This software running on a server computer serves up the screens that are actually displayed on the various graphic terminals called clients. By storing and executing these on a server computer, any changes or updates that are made are immediately reflected throughout the system. By comparison, if the individual operator terminals were the repository of the HMI screens, as they would be in a PanelView Plus application, a change made in one place would not be reflected in other parts of the system. In smaller HMI systems, all of these software servers, including the data server, the alarm server, and the HMI display server, might run on one server computer, while in large systems, each one might run on a dedicated server computer. FactoryTalk View Studio is the development software for both View ME and View SE applications. This provides a common look and feel across this part of the portfolio. Machine Edition is used for machine-level applications that run on PanelView Plus terminals. Site Edition is our scalable distributed HMI that runs on industrial or commercial-grade computers and monitors. View Studio is more than just a common look and feel. There is a substantial level of interoperability. Applications developed for a View ME environment can be ported to a View SE environment with little to no additional effort. This can be particularly beneficial for an OEM that is standardized on a View ME in the PanelView Plus, that has an end customer that requests the use of View SE for visualization. This OEM's efforts to redeploy their View ME application to a View SE application would be a small fraction of the effort typically necessary to convert a competitive machine-level HMI to a site-level HMI. Note that View Studio is not the development software for the PanelView 5000 or for the component class PanelView 800. The key competitive differentiator of FactoryTalk View SE is premier integration with Logix controllers. This dramatically simplifies usability compared to competitive site-level visualization solutions. One example of premier integration is shown on this slide. In competitive and legacy solutions, an HMI tag database must be created and maintained. Any other part of the visualization platform that needs to display, modify, or otherwise access the information in the controller does so via the HMI tag database. In a FactoryTalk View SE solution, direct tag referencing allows users to browse for controllers and access controller tags directly. There are many advantages to this capability. It minimizes configuration errors. It also makes it easier to reuse displays between applications. As applications become larger and more complex, standardization becomes a very important topic. When using an HMI tag database, it is hard to define a tag name standard because the tag name rules in the HMI are different than the tag name rules in the controller. With direct tag referencing, the user can standardize on Logic's tag names rules. Overall, direct tag referencing dramatically reduces engineering time and helps to create a more integrated solution. Please note that direct tag referencing is also supported with PanelView Plus applications programmed with FactoryTalk ViewMe, as well as PanelView 5000 applications programmed with Studio 5000 View Designer. Another aspect of Premier integration is superior alarm management. In competitive solutions, alarm management is handled by a server. If this server loses its connection to the controller, situations that should have created alarms may go undetected. In a FactoryTalk View SE solution connected to Logic's controllers, alarm management can either be handled by the controller itself or the traditional server-based alarm system. With the controller-based alarm solution, even if the HMI temporarily lost its connection, the alarm condition would be detected and cached by the controller, so that once the HMI is reconnected, the alarm condition is properly communicated. There are additional benefits to using View SE with Logic's controllers. For example, they share a security platform, simplifying security management as compared to systems where the controller and the HMI are from different vendors. Furthermore, Rockwell Software offers a common audit and diagnostic tool, simplifying the audit and troubleshooting processes as compared to traditional implementations where the controller has a separate set of audit and diagnostic tools from the HMI's audit and diagnostic tools. Also keep in mind the benefits of a single supplier. When the controller and the HMI are from different suppliers, it is easy for the controller vendor to blame the HMI vendor for any interoperability issues, and vice versa. When both the controller and the HMI are from Rockwell Automation, interoperability issues cannot be blamed on outside vendors. Overall, the FactoryTalk View SE HMI solution is key to improving accuracy, productivity, and effectiveness. Rockwell Automation offers a huge library of predefined FactoryTalk View screens and Logic's code for common functions and products. These predefined screens are called faceplates. Several examples are shown here. Faceplates are pre-configured to work with various Rockwell Automation products such as PowerFlex drives, overload relays, and GuardMaster safety relays. Faceplates provide the tools for the configuration of these intelligent connected devices. Faceplates also provide a contextual framework for the information passing between these devices and the controller. Rather than working with the raw data coming from a traditional network device, the faceplate uses plain language to describe each individual piece of information. There are also faceplates for common automation functions. Rather than designing these functions from scratch, the controls engineer can simply import these pre-built function faceplates into their project. Faceplates are pre-configured with animation and can be used as they are or edited to suit the needs of a project. Altogether, faceplates greatly reduce the engineering time for a project, as graphics and animations that are tightly coupled to the underlying system information do not have to be built from scratch. They simplify system troubleshooting because all of the diagnostic information coming from the various devices is given context. They increase standardization because rather than each controls engineer implementing their own HMI screens for each product or function, the faceplate for that product or function remains the same, regardless of which controls engineer included in their application. Additional faceplates are available for free download on the Rockwell Automation Sample Code website. FactoryTalk View SE is the visualization platform of the Rockwell Automation Plant PAX Modern DCS for process control applications. Plant PAX is a collection of Rockwell Automation products, software, and pre-engineered application code, all tested and characterized to fit the needs of the process automation industry. The Plant PAX library of process objects is a predefined library of controller code in the form of add-on instructions, display elements known as global objects, and faceplates created by Rockwell Automation for use in Plant PAX systems. Altogether, they allow you to quickly assemble large applications with proven strategies, rich functionality, and known performance. Another benefit of the FactoryTalk View platform is FactoryTalk ViewPoint, a software add-on that delivers web-enabled visualization tying into existing ViewMe and ViewSE applications via either a PC or mobile device web browser. Note that early releases of ViewPoint only allowed access from a Windows computer, but more recently the software was redone in HTML5 to enable mobile phone and tablet web browser access. Because the client device uses its web browser, there is no client software to install or maintain. The ViewPoint software is only required on the HMI system end. ViewPoint can serve up the same screen shown on the local graphic terminals, or it can show customized screens, for example, dashboards or trending. It uses scalar graphics, meaning that the images won't distort when scaled up for a big PC monitor or down to a smartphone screen. VersaView 5000 is Rockwell Automation's newest line of industrial computers. The VersaView can be used as a hardware platform for a ViewSE HMI system or for other computer applications on the factory floor. As compared to a commercial-grade computer, an industrial computer is ruggedized to be appropriate for use in industrial automation. They will typically have wider temperature ranges, heavier-duty hardware, and more rugged connection points. As one example, in the VersaView 5000, the RAM is built directly into the motherboard rather than being separately mounted on a card that is inserted into the motherboard, as is the norm in commercial-grade products. Obviously, this means that an industrial computer is more expensive than a commercial-grade computer with similar processor specs. The VersaView 5000 models with displays feature an edge-to-edge all-glass display, while the non-display models feature a compact design. None of the models utilize a fan, and furthermore, there are no other components that require user maintenance, thus eliminating a common cause of product failure, thus minimizing costly machine downtime. The VersaView 5100 line of monitors are industrialized monitors with no integrated computer. These would connect to a separate computer in a panel. The VersaView 5200 thin client is a line of thin client computers, either with or without an integrated display. They are designed to integrate with Thin Manager software, a Rockwell Automation server-client solution that provides efficient centralized management and dramatically simplifies system maintenance. The VersaView 5200 thin clients running Thin Manager software are ideal for the HMI terminal clients in a ViewSE system. The VersaView 5400 PC is a line of industrial computers with or without integrated display. From a computing standpoint, these computers run a standard operating system, typically Windows, and operate like any other PC. The VersaView 5400 is also an excellent computer platform for ViewSE systems. In addition to the VersaView 5000 product family, Rockwell Automation also offers industrial computers with higher computing power and more flexibility, such as the ability to swap RAM. These lines are called 6177R and 6181P Performance Advanced. Now that we have discussed all of the lead products in the Rockwell Automation visualization portfolio, let's summarize and compare all of these products. For the machine-level applications, Rockwell Automation leads with several hardware platforms. The PanelView 800 is intended for machine builders for whom product cost is the main concern. It is optimized for use with the Micro 800 controller and is configured in the same free software, CCW. It also works with some, but not all, CompactLogix controllers, specifically the L1, L2, and L3 processors, as well as the MicroLogix family. The newest generation platform in the machine-level category is the PanelView 5000. This platform represents the future of machine-level HMI for Rockwell Automation. It is optimized for Logix